Hello, 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 hello. Welcome, 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 ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome. यो टैन द मैन व्यू का वाटर मार्क हटा देते क्यों हटाना है भाई आई एम promoting Vio. I'm official spokesperson. No, I'm not. I'm not. Finally, yes, first stream of 2026. 10th man. Can you believe it? What was I going to do? Yes, I was going to set something up over here. How do I do that? How do I do that? Off. And this is done. So now I can do this. Yes, I can do this. How are you doing? Happy New Year. How are you doing? Do you know my stream, Evan? What do you mean by that? Interesting. Interesting. What is mic and aux over here? Music louder than your voice? Way louder than my voice. Way louder. Interesting. Interesting. Let me do this. Let me go here. Instead of this, let me do this. And if I play, oops. Is this better? Is this better? How do I tighten this? Yeah. I have a sore throat. Not throat. I have a sore throat. So I'll be speaking a bit softer. Let me know if you can't hear me. How are you doing, Tan? How did your new year start? This is weird. It keeps asking me to sign in. I think it should be okay now. I'm just setting few things up before we start. I think this is good. Microphone, no signal. 7 minutes ago. Okay. Now my mic is working. And even here the mic should be working. Let's Let's look at our setup. You're back, man. I just told you so many interesting things and you weren't even here. You missed on so many things, Dan. Oh man, why did you do this to me, Dan? Why did you do this to me? I was saying how did your new year start, Dan? How are you doing? Important call. Ooh, important call. Ooh, class mentor. I don't know why I'm doing that. What did your class mentor say? Pay attention in your stream. I'm sure he said that. Shut this down. Thank you. We've done this on. Well, let's just say what would have been my reason that 2020 was last year of my life solved on 2nd Jan. Wait, what? I didn't get it then. Oh man. But yeah, like I was saying, I have a sore throat, so might be speaking a bit softer and might be a shorter stream. Just FYI. Why is this not starting? Come on. Oh. So I think we did a lot of, I think our app looks really good. Last time I left it. I also worked on it offline and then created this list of things that we need to do. I'll show you where did we reach so far. And then we have some new requirements from TAN. What were the requirements? What were the new requirements? This is what I want to do. So we want something like this. I'm just going to paste it over here for our reference. This is what we want. We'll review that when we reach there. Now I don't even know if Tan is here or am I just talking alone. I just said I don't even know if Tan is here or I'm talking alone. Of course I was talking alone. And Dan and his important calls. Is the Docker up? Why is this? Okay, it's up. It's up. Oh no, it's not up. Restarting. Should I just drop the container and start again? I heard that you were. Okay. I'm glad I wasn't. I'm glad. My voice is gone. Yeah, I'm back. अरे मेरा फॉर्म फॉरवर्ड नहीं किया था एग्जाम इम्पोर्टेंट. Okay, good. All the important issues resolved. What's happening here? Duplicate key. Why is this? Is it trying to migrate again? What's happening? And what did you do? Superbase migration. How was your New Year? My New Year was great. We started the New Year really great. And the reason I was going to skip today's stream was I was up till 3 a.m. last night and we were singing karaoke songs and that's why my throat is sore. But then I said no, Dan will be waiting for me and I have to build his app for him, so I woke up and started building. But Dan is busy. What did I do? I mean, what did you do? Or what did I do? Or what did you do? I don't stay up on New Year's Eve, so I didn't do anything on 31st. But on 1st, we went for a nice brunch, did a short hike, watched Stranger Things. Migrate.js. I don't know why this is happening, so let me do this. Let me containers. Let me do this. Stop all. Restart again. Why can't you stream at your midnight and my afternoon? No, of course I can do that, right? I don't have any other work or family or anything, so streaming at midnight is no problem at all. Sorry, I'm being a little bit more sarcastic today. I don't know why. Streaming at midnight I don't think that will ever happen. Even for game streams, I don't think it will ever happen. I think it will be either your mornings or your evenings. Unfortunately, the time difference sucks. Did you watch Stranger Things? On Sundays? Even on Sundays. I'm going to delete this. Delete forever. And I'm going to do... You're saying till midnight or do the stream at midnight? I don't get it. Because the version is good. My Docker is acting up. Let me do this. Yes. Why does it say all these containers? Whenever you do so, it would be our afternoons in such a difference. No? So it will be your afternoon only if I start the stream at my midnight. And that starting the stream at midnight is not possible. Maybe doing the stream in the evenings till midnight might still work. I have to like change my schedule around, but why? Delete, guys, delete everything. Delete. Okay, nice, finally. Let's delete this. I don't use it right now. Let me clear all the images. We'll start from scratch again. Okay, clean slate. Bills. Let's make these bills. We don't care right now. At all. Oh, there's so many bills here. But yeah, that's a thing then. Oh yeah. Let's ping them in chat. I don't know if they. It does feel empty without them, right? Zoro. I'll just share the link there. Hey guys, come to my stream. Can you do that, Dan? Can you ping them? It's not fun without everyone. What is ST in this? Study together. Oh, interesting. All right. So we have. Why did this happen? I didn't mean to do this. Okay, so we have this now. So let's do. Okay, perfect. Docker compose up build. We don't have a Docker file? How did we start this? How did we start Wavelength Supabase then? Supabase start, Supabase, DB reset, restart. Oh man, I forgot everything we have done so far. Let's ask our friend here. Docker. I think it's a Docker pull Supabase. Side effect of not streaming for 2 weeks. I know, man. I know. Like if I could, I would stream every day. I think this should just work. Okay. Okay, it's doing so. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I like rate exceeded. Kong error, rate exceeded. Okay, this is new. Oh man. Yeah, so if I could, I would have streamed every day. Especially like with coding stream, it does make it harder to work on a project with a week of gap between them, like the context switch will be painful. But these are fun light projects, not too much focused context, and it's vibe coding, so I think we are good there. How about evening stand? Does evenings work for you? But for that I have to get up very early. Let me think about that too. There's a YouTuber who... Should I move my video? This looks better, right? I mean, you don't want to see me, but yeah. There's a YouTuber who has decided to stream vibe code every day till he makes $1 million. The vibe code his apps, I think every day or every other day or something, and yeah, he has got nice following, and I don't know what kind of apps he builds, but it's pretty interesting. It's try to code now. I try to code now. Hello, try to code now. Welcome. Is it? I'm going to go to your channel and check out who you are. Oh yeah. No. Did you change your name? Yeah, I think you changed your name. Yeah, I see your anime blog. Yay, it's code now. Of course I remember you. Oh, looks like even you are live. Looks like even you are live. Yeah, I'm on your stream. How are you doing, man? Happy New Year. So you are learning game development from scratch. Ooh, interesting. I can't hear your stream because I muted. Otherwise, the sound would be like mess up the stream. But I'm watching your stream right now while this guy does the Docker pull for me over here. Trail.cpp. Which game are you developing? Oh, maybe I should type that, right? But how would you tell me? Starting database. Yeah, I'm learning it. Oh, fun. So have you done game development before? Oh man, I suddenly opened so many windows on my machine. By the way, I already thought of the next project, what I'll build after this. It's another fun little web-based game. Excellent game there, sir. Nice, man. That's interesting. I'm going to do this. Copy this. Do this. Let me also do Superbase Studio. I don't think I have any tables here. Right? Oh, I do have tables. Oh, I didn't mean to close it. That's okay. But I think publishable and secret. I might need to add my keys somewhere. Okay, I'm just going to hide my window for a second, guys. Publishable key, okay. A secret key. I mean, I can always change it before I publish, but yeah. Next, public access key. So how's the progress? Progress is really good. Let me just copy paste these keys real quick. Is it the same keys everywhere? Oh, they are the same. Yeah, the like after last stream, I did work on it, and I think we have a working version now. But then our manager Tan gave us some new requirements. Let me show you all the screens. I think it looks really well now. Why are you whispering? It's hard to hear. Dude, when I told you this, you weren't hearing. I have a sore throat. Let me reduce the music more. Increase your volume now. I can't increase my volume, man. I was singing karaoke songs till 12:31 a.m. yesterday, and so I have a sore throat right now. So are we completing today? I think so. I mean, there's. Oh, those were not okay. There are a couple of other requirements that Tan requested, but so let me gather my thoughts. Yeah, originally my plan was to do a shorter stream today. If we can complete it on stream, then we'll complete it. Else, I'll do it off stream, and then most probably next stream we'll do another project that I have in mind. So maybe this would be last stream for this. Yeah. So in that case, we might complete it. Room name. But there are so many corner cases that I have to test. Like what happens if more players try to join than we have set, things like that. So I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. No, man, we are going to lock the requirements here, Tan. This is it. This is all you get right now. Okay, no more requirement changes. By the way, if you see here, can you see the URL? Now we have a URL with the room ID. So you can copy this. You can do, let's see. And you can paste this. And it directly, oh, it didn't work. See, nice. Join game. So So now we have this and this. Let's get the host to again some issues. Short stream, yeah, short stream because of my throat, but if while streaming, if I feel better, then I might just go for it. Okay, let me try this. Okay, I know what's happening. Wait. This is a feature I added last time. Yeah, this. That it saves your name and everything in local storage. Right, so just 3 guys. Right, it saved my name and all, and that was causing the issue. So I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to refresh this. Yes, same thing in Brave browser, because I had to nuke my database today, so I had to reset everything. I don't think it's even close to be done. Wait, what? Why 10? Why? Local storage. Yep. Clean it. Perfect. So okay, it's saved here. Let's go here. It's such innovative name. So it saves the name for you, so you don't have to enter every time. Now if I host a game and I say DaveMode and I initialize the game, so I have this. Let's see if this works. So if I go here, okay, it didn't pick it up. Okay, join a game. Maybe that is something I'll have to check. Add the room ID, join the game. You have to use the point system. Okay, so we have 2 players here. Why there's no player joining here? 1 player connected. Where did Thor go? He told you and he left. Maybe he's in your stream. I think there's already a point system in place, Stan. I'll show you how it works. Why? What happened, man? Where is my super base? Tables. Oh, you know what I have to do? Game rooms. I have to go there. Enable real time for everyone. See? I have to do this. I think game state enable real time. Messages doesn't matter. Participants, players. Okay, this is what I had to do last time. I'm trying to find the list where we had to enable real time, because once we have real time, it will sync all the data to all the rooms. Again, just because I nuked my database, I have to do everything again today. I think it's just game state. The game state is empty, which is worrisome. Interesting. Rooms players ID. Okay. Rooms players enable real time. Rooms players rounds. Rounds enable real time. Okay. So this is enabled. Okay. Let's see if I just refresh this, will it work? Join a game. We'll try one more time and see if it worked. Okay, this doesn't work. Let's host a new game. Code again, initialize game. Let's refresh, join a game. Two players. Yeah, there you go. Now it works. Oh, you ended your stream. Oh, okay. Let's close this. So, psychic queue. Okay. Start game. This is the game. So, psychic needs to send. Check this out. Tan the man. Here. The psychic needs to say. I'll set it something like this. Okay. Set target position. Target position set. So now I can decide. So target position is here, right? So if I put it somewhere over here and I say lock in guess. So guess locked. See, JVD Chrome plus 4 points. Distance 2%. Yay, I win. So here is the issue. Okay. I know. This is what you're talking about. Huh? So these are Tan's new requirements. Like if you do it over here, it should overflow on the other side. Yeah. When the psychic doesn't. He went for the cake for his girlfriend. Ooh, Thor's girlfriend. We are going to tease him when he comes back. Okay, what are Tan's requirements? So here is the issue. If half is out of the view on the right, it doesn't come. Yeah, that I know. And it should be random. No, psychic doesn't choose his spins. Okay, we'll tackle this one at a time. So also let me do this. So if I click on next round, does the new round start? It doesn't. So let me first implement that functionality. Where is my agent? Ooh, bro, what a video! What a video! Yeah. If there is a video, send it to me. Dan. By the way, code. So we also did a lot of cool things. So we added, we made it a little bit more production friendly. So we added a proper Zustan state. Where did you send it to me on Discord, Dan? Send it in the Discord chat. Okay, got it.
How to play this game?
बहुत लोगों ने कमेंट करा था, so let's teach you.
We heard you. ठीक है. गेम का नाम है वेवलेंथ एंड द गोल ऑफ द गेम इज टू आइडेंटिफाई कि आपकी वेवलेंथ मैच होती है नहीं होती है. तो कैसे करते हैं? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू पिक अ रैंडम कार्ड्स, अनपॉपुलर एंड पॉपुलर. एक तरफ अनपॉपुलर, एक तरफ पॉपुलर है. एंड दिस इज नाउ द स्पेक्ट्रम. ठीक है. नाउ मैंने कार्ड पिक किया है, तो निपुण अब अपनी आंखें बंद करेगी और इसको रैंडम मैंने घुमा दिया है. अब मैं देखूंगा कहाँ पे आया है. ओके, सो ये यहाँ पे रेंज है. दिस इज द गेम. अब मुझे इस वाले कार्ड को यूज करके अनपॉपुलर एंड पॉपुलर इन क्राइटेरिया पे कुछ एक ऐसी बात बोलनी है जिससे निपुण ये वाला जो है ना मार्क, वो इस रेंज में ला सके जिस रेंज में मुझे चाहिए. अब मैं इसको छुपा दूंगा. ओके निपुण आंखें खोलो. अब मेरी बारी है. तो अब मैं कहता हूँ मनोज वाजपेयी.
Manoj Bajpayee. Okay, Manoj Bajpayee is not unpopular, but he is not like SRK types. उतने popular नहीं है. थोड़े से mid में है, but mostly popular only. But like mid popular.
Okay. वेवलेंथ एकदम ही ऑफ. ठीक है, दोबारा ट्राई करेंगे. इस बार निपुण ट्राई करेगी.
मैं इसी एग्जांपल.
Okay. I want to do this.
वेवलेंथ एकदम ही ऑफ. ठीक है, दोबारा ट्राई करेंगे. इस बार
Got it.
ट्राई करेगी.
मैं इसी एग्जांपल के साथ करती.
अच्छा, इसी एग्जांपल के साथ.
so that they'll
हाँ,
understand.
तो इसको घुमा दे. हाँ.
ओके, आजा खोल ले.
ओके.
नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी.
नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी. तो मे बी मैं कुछ यहाँ रखूंगा विच इज मोर पॉपुलर.
चलो, कुछ तो
हुआ. ओके, सो मैं 2 पॉइंट्स मैंने जीते
points.
है ना. अगर और क्लोज होता 3 पॉइंट्स और एकदम बैंग ऑन होता तो 4 पॉइंट. ओह माय गॉड, गुड वन.
दिस इज हाउ वी प्ले दिस गेम. आपको बहुत स्मार्ट होना है इन गिविंग द.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Tan, I think I get it. So let's do this. I'm trying to think what should I prioritize. We also have. Let me close these guys. We also have. Let's make the one round working and the next round should be easy, right? So okay, so let's make the gradient selection random. That's what we want to do. Just bear with me while I figure out my room code. Play active game screen. What are the component? Main menu. Components. What was it? Was it gradient? Nah. What was the component name? Nah, it's very close, man. And it's more closer than you think. Dial container, okay. It's dragging, okay. This is what we want. Trying to think. Okay, only Psychic can do that. So, let's refresh. Let's start a new game for now. And go here, refresh, join again, join. Assign Psychic, start a game. So this thing, right? Okay. So one is we want this random. So let me start a new window. Okay. Okay. Agent Claude. Okay. Update the logic to the following. Psychic. Add a button. Add a button next to the set target position button. Next to the set target position button to set the target position randomly. What else? Disable. So we don't want yeah, so that is easy to change. That is easy to change even for the psychic. No, gradient is working, but so we have this, right? We have this that you manually change the gradient, but the gameplay has it random, so it randomly does that. So Tan, this is what I'll do, right? Instead of replicating exactly what that video has, I'll add a button. So when you click on it, it will set a random position, right? And you can click on multiple times, and it will set some random position every time for you. Will that work? And I'll disable the gradient. Exactly. And this thing only psychic can see. Okay, Tan, I don't know if you saw that. Players cannot see the gradient. Okay, that works. Okay, disable the only psychic can see and access the above buttons. Disable the drag and drop. I'm going to keep the code and just ask the agent to comment it out, because we might need it. For something else. Players should see the crude onion. Can we get a hint or a sneak peek on what we are going in the next vibe code? Ooh. So have you played, I think you have played, have you played a game called Battlefield? Not Battlefield. Battle Tank? Battle Tank? What was the game? Yeah, this one. Have you played this game? Oh, okay. No problem, Dan. You played this game, right? Yes, I'm thinking of Battleship. It's called Battlefield here, but you get the concept, right? Two players can play it. You arrange your ship in a grid and then you try to defeat each other. So this is Code. Have you played this game? It's a fun game. I'm going to create a web version of it. I'm sure there are many web versions of it, but okay, let's see this. All right, there you go. Set target position. What did it do? Oh, let me restart. I think Tan got greedy and we messed up our code. It's Battleship. You said Battlefield, so the dumb people who created a game named it Battlefield for copyright. It what? Join game. Next game. Yes, that's the next game after this. Start game. Random target. Oh, okay. So it just allows me to do it once. Okay. And it removed the drag and drop over here. That's why I asked it to non-psychic players should be. No. It was psychic player only. Should be able to drag the. What is this called? Yeah, I need the ID for it to make the right change. This guy. Pointer events. There's no ID here. I'll just say pointer events. Let's see what does this if there is a different component. Let me just add to drag the pointer after the target is set. It's Battleship. So he found dumb people who created the game and named it Battlefield for copyright issues. Okay, whatever it is. Let's better set the goal and work on it. It's easy to manage. Yes, you are not paying me, and now this is getting boring. So I'll try to see. So Tan, here's the thing. If in the video that you showed me, right, I don't think we actually need the exact feature here, and I'll tell you why. In the video, they would rotate the thing, right? They would see where the gradient is. Technically, they can rotate again and change it if they want. Right? There's no connection there. It's not random as in they cannot control. They can control it. They are just not seeing it where it goes. Right? So I think it's the way they demoed it that they didn't change it, but I think they technically they can do that. Okay, now this is working. And we have this random target. So now this is working. So what is our target? Is this? Okay, I'll put it over here. So I should get 0 points. Yeah, this is the target. There you go. 0 points. Yeah, see? It's already set. There are some extra pointers here, but I don't care about it right now. Okay, so we have this working. Let me add it. 10, does this work? Let me keep it. Let me add it. Oh, that's it. 10 is changing requirements again, man. I'm scared. Let's hide the gradient until user chooses, then show it. It will be random guess by users. I think good. I think it's good now. We only have to hide the gradient from the non-psychic users. For psychic, it doesn't matter whether he sees it or not, right? So I think it's okay for now. Okay. So right now, another thing that's happening, as soon as I click on this, so let's run it one more time. So this is a psychic. A psychic can still drag. See, the thing is, 10. The thing is, the way the game is designed, you can either have drag and drop on both hands, or you cannot have it. Like we can change it, but it's way too iffy LC code. I don't know how committed you are to not allowing users to do that. Like from purely game point of view, I think it's okay. I don't think we should waste more time on that. Wait, one thing at a time, man. Relax. Okay, so this is going to stay. Okay, this thing, it's going to stay for now. Because if I disable this, if I disable the gradient for drag and drop, it will also disable for the players when they want to set the value. I think it's fine. Yeah, exactly. I see again from the game point of view, I don't see, like game logic point of view, I don't see it if it makes a difference in how it looks. So that's that. Can I paste this? No, I cannot. Because I did something dumb.
How to play this game?
बहुत लोगों ने कमेंट
Let's see, hopefully this works. Hey Sid, welcome. How are you doing? You didn't win that much? Okay, good, perfect. Thank you, Tan. I started Family Guy season 3 right now. Both communicate on Discord, so it will be real time without delays. Yes, you are right, good. That what won't be not the anime fan. Family Guy is the one with Peter, right? Peter. Perfect zone, red, yellow, green. Let's see, what did it do? Nah, I don't think it did the right thing. Okay, new game, host a game, ABCD, copy, paste, join, this, start. Oh, I don't like this. We don't want this, right? We don't want this. We want white, orange, yellow. Wavelength, game, gradient, colors. I want images. Something like this. So we just want this. So I think I know what to do. See, if you see our themes, empty, zinc, no point, darker, close, good, great. We only have 3 zones. Right? We have close, good, great. Okay. So we have great, good, close. Is there a perfect thing that's being used? Theme dial, perfect. Okay. So, okay, let me do that. Remove the perfect zone. Remove the perfect zone. We only need 3 zones. We only need 3 zones. And all zones should be of equal size. Right, Tandaman? So I think in this one, not here, but in here, it made this one very thin. I'm going to be very specific here, equal size. So we have 2 outer zones, outer closed zones, 2 inner good zones, and 1 central perfect zone, great zone. Demon Slayer. We're talking about anime now. Okay. Yes, see, now it made the correct thing. I have no connection to anime. I'll be back, guys. Just give me a second, okay? Okay, I'm back. Let's see. thing is so dumb. Sometimes. Let me see if I can find an image for this. What did it change? So it changed the zone width. It changed the zone width. Target angle. Why did he multiply this? At first it was just this. What's happening here? So we are creating this gradient over here. So we have empty 0 degree, empty 180 degree, okay. Okay, if I say zone width to be, let's say 5, what happens? Okay, this is what we want. So let's say if I do zone width to be 10. This is too much, right? I think maybe 6 or 7. I'll say 6. This looks good, better. Limit colors are not. I know. Will colors are easy part. I just want to make sure this looks decent. Okay. I'll go to keep this. So for colors, we have this part over here, right? So what we'll do is, which colors did tan want? These colors, right? Let me show you something cool. I'm sure you might know that. Background color. Okay, then I do this. Then I do this. And then I click here. So I get this. So this is the outermost zone. So I go here. So I go here, I do this, then I go here, I pick this, I go and I do this. This is the second outermost zone, about a good zone. I do this, then I do this, I go here. This is white, why did I do this? But anyways, I go here and the great zone is this. Now if you see this, Okay, DaveMode sir, pluripus देखना आपको पता है कि तकलीफ related to AI because center. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's in my list since long. The thing is time. ये color, tan, do you want these colors? And tan is a very hard client to work with. I'm kidding, tan. These are the colors, right? let me know if you want these colors or not, okay? Otherwise I'm going to just go ahead and do that. मेरे को फ्री टाइम मिला है, सब सीरीज देख रहा हूँ फ्री टाइम टिल माय यूनिट स्टार्ट्स. ओके ओके, till in July. Oh, so you have nice, you can binge watch everything. Just stand here. Do this. Show me the colors again. Here, these colors. I was on R tab. I mean, I like these colors. Yes, these. Okay. So even I agree with you, Code. Even for me, I personally like when it comes to gradient, I like maybe something like green, bluish, something like that color. These I don't like these colors, but it's okay. उसके बाद भी टाइम होगा, but not a lot because I'm going game design animations. Ooh, nice, interesting. Okay. Okay. These are the final colors, Stan. After that, it's not going to change, okay? This is it. We are locking this in. This is not going to change after this. It's practically impossible to change. It will take months to repaint this. I'm going to go with the color. Again, I don't think colors. See, here we go. Good enough. I think I'll make the needle. What color is the needle here? They have red color needles? Really? They have red color needles. Maybe I'll make the needle white instead of red. Did you saw Doomsday? It looks feels. Oh, I didn't, and let's not discuss it, okay? I don't watch trailers, and I really don't want to discuss it. Please, guys, bear with me here. Okay, I'm just testing few things. What the hell is this color? Pink. Oh, this is the primary color. Why is this primary color? I don't watch Marvel trailers because they show everything. This doesn't look okay. I don't have hope. It's yeah. So this doesn't look good, right, guys? Code. What do you think? Pink color. Sir, don't like to watch series. Let's do the topic. No, I like Marvel, but I don't watch trailers because they give a lot of spoilers there. So, I mean, watch a lot of things. Plus, I'm like want to fix the colors and go to the next thing. Color is fully yours. Where the fuck fudge is the needle? There you go. I can't select the needle for some reason. Where is it? Let's go to active ghost game stream and search for primary. It will be everywhere, man. It's a primary color. Oh, you know what? Let me do here. Somehow I cannot select this element or its style. Normally I should be able to. And the reason I want to do that is I want to try changing the colors here only. Wonderful. So I'm doing something. Okay. This is the dial container. This is the thing. I'm just going to get 2 more minutes. That's why I'm going to keep it as it is and then we'll move on. This is the most boring part of web development. Or at least boring. Oh, there you go. Finally. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bottom position. Color. What is this? Pointer events none. Okay, remember pointer events none, guys. That's what we need to change. Color white. Background. This guy. There you go, background. Ah, this looks nice. Let me check one more thing. Transform origin center. There's one more thing that we can change it to make it longer. Height. Yes. Can I increase it to this? 230? Okay, this is good. This is good. This is what we want. Oopsie daisies. Code. Oh, sorry. I'm just saying. By the way, कौन सा Mac है? Mac Mini? नहीं. MacBook Pro. All colors look the same. 2 red, 2 yellow, blue. This. Yes. I'll try your theme in a second. Okay. Just give me a second. Code. Player guesses. This is the guy that we want to change. All player need needles. So these are Okay, I think I want to fix this. Result screen. You see how dumb is this? Needle container. This guy. Oh, this is a bad way to write this. I'm going to fix this. Is dragging blah blah blah. Okay. Needle container. Convert. Needle container into component. Check result screen and other components to see if we can reuse this component. Damn, you worked on people. Try this. Wait, where did that come from? PayPal. I'm going to copy and save your message code. After we refactor this piece of information, we will try these tiles. Oops. There you go. DaveMode suggests some games I should play. You should play a new game that a very interesting developer is developing. It's called Wavelength. Okay, let's see. It did mess up the style in order to do that, but that's fine. Now at least we know where to look. So we now have this thing. Okay, perfect. Width 1.5. Can we do it 2? Maybe 3? Maybe 5? Yes, I like 5. Height 200. Can we do it to 30? Yes, I like that. And color. Yes, here you go, color. What is RGB for white? Okay. Oh, no, not this. Sorry, I didn't mean to do this. This. If you want to make it white. This is what 254. 254. Does this work? Yeah, this looks good. We'll know for sure. Hey, why didn't it change here? Oh, it did. Oh, interesting. I know why. If I just do this, I don't want this. I hope I am doing the right thing. There you go. Nice and clean needle. Where was I? Okay, this is good. This is good, right? The white needle looks amazing, guys. Good job, everyone. Good job. We'll keep this. And now we'll try the colors that Code sent us. So, needle is red, okay. Board zone. First, dark blue. Second, blue. Third, yellow. Fourth, orange. So, in our case, we only have 3 zones. So, let's start with the Code. Here the first is the innermost zone, right? First, second, third is in innermost, second, third, something like that. Ow. I forgot I was wearing headphones. Yeah, okay. Let's try this. So this guy, go to theme. So perfect. Yeah, this is where it goes. I cannot change this. Close this, close this, close this, close this, close this, close this. Open theme and theme classes. Maybe this guy, maybe this guy, not this guy. This is what I'm looking for. This is this. This is this. And this is this. Did I copy? I didn't copy. This is this. I made a mistake. So this goes here. This goes here. This goes here. And I don't think we have anything called perfect anymore. Now let's see. Oops. You said needle red, right? I think with red needle, this looks great. So let's go. Where was needle component? Color. No, the colors are different. No, these are the ones you sent, right? Dark blue, blue and yellow. We don't have a fourth color over here. We just have 3. So dark blue. Or close this. Dark blue and yellow. I think I am okay with either or with the colors. This is the red needle. Oh, I can't change it. Okay. Game component. No, no, the 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. Wait, what? Check the message in Discord. Okay. Discord. Oh, okay. He ain't reading Discord. Yeah, now I'm reading Discord. 10. So center is yellow. Okay. Then we have light blue, then we dark blue. I think that's okay. Like frankly, I'm okay with other thing. So center is yellow. So this goes over here. Center is yellow, then blue, and then dark blue. And the needle is red. Two 36, 72, 72, 1. 236, 72, 72. The fudge is this color? Hmm. Ooh, 36, 72, 72. This is how it looks. I think AI will mess up the colors, man. It did it couple of times, so that's why I'm doing it manually. This is the version. This looks quite similar to what you sent. I think it's because of the needle, the yellow looks different, but I think this is good for now. What do you say? Shouldn't we have 3 colors only because 2 points for the farthest, 3 points for the close, 4 points for the bullseye? Asking, not telling. So the central, yeah, we have, no. So 10, the outermost 2, right? This blue and this dark blue will have the same points. At least that's what we have in this. If you see the video that you sent, right? If you see this outermost 2, it has 4, but we have, it has same, this is same, and this is same. So it's the same thing that we did over here. Make sense? Yeah. I think I'll revert back to colors that we had earlier. It's easy to change later on if you want, and this looks too in your face. So okay, one last try. Okay, this is perfect. One last try and then we'll call it a day. Orange zone. and yellow zone. This is good, guys. Yeah, I'm okay with this. I think other thing is all the images that you are seeing, it has white background. This one has black. That's why it looks a bit different, like from contrast. First, why is the needle glowing like you don't want glow? Oh. We can remove that. Okay, guys. We are getting distracted right now. For now, let's pin the colors and the needles and all those things. What's the difference here? I'm going to revert this guy. Okay. I'm going to add this. I'm going to go here. Box shadow. I'm going to remove this. Okay. This should be okay for now. Don't destroy my words. Wait, what? No, I'm not telling. Are you in the background to gray maybe? I think we can. So no. What I'm saying by we are getting distracted is that let's not focus too much on colors right now. There are some functionalities that we want to implement, and the colors are then easy to tweak once the code and the logic is working as expected, right? So I don't want to waste too much time here. Sorry, Ten. I'm not twisting your words. How can I twist words? This is the pivot. Okay, pivot color. Let's also do this. Background. And no box shadow. Oops, didn't mean to do that. So we have like something basic working, and that should be okay for now. Background box shadow. No, I'm here only. Yeah, this is good for now. Because I want to like add more functionalities. There's one more thing that we need to do. Three more things that we need to do. So I'm just going to jump on that. Those are more important than like colors and all, right? Updated the LT files and refactored the component. Git status, git push. So another thing that we want to do is when this, and correct me if I'm wrong, when the gradient, right, goes over the edge, it comes out from this side of the edge, right? Is that what you want? Is that the requirement? सिद्धार्थ, by the way, फ्री होके ऊपर वाला चैट देख लेना. ऊपर वाला चैट क्या चल रहा है? ऊपर वाला चैट क्या है? Geopolitics F up in just 3 days. I know, man. I know. I am not focusing on geopolitics, man. I cannot control that. Okay. So if the gradient goes over here, it should come out from this side. Okay. Does that happen in the game though? Oops. Does it happen in... I don't think it happens here, right? I'm just trying to see if it happens here too. A perpendicular mirror. Okay. I will share you the link. Okay. I'm just watching the video again to get. Okay. Check this. Okay. I'm going to close this. I'm going to open this. Okay, I see what you mean. Okay. But you see, this is interesting. How is this thing designed? Interesting. The problem here is what would we write at 1 minute? Okay, I just checked it here. The problem is what would you write in the prompt to get this work? Any hints, guys? Buy one. Buy one. If I wanted to buy one, then I wouldn't make this game, right? Active game state. Player status. There is the button. Waiting for Psychic to set the thing. Action area. What button? What is this button? Dial position indicator. Dial needle. Game HUD. No, not dial needle. I'm looking. Dial position indicator. Oh yeah. This is the one that tan. New game. Okay, in this we cannot do anything. Yeah, see, in this it doesn't come out on the other side. In this, it doesn't come out from the other side. See this? It goes here, but nothing over here. This was the reference code. This is what we used to develop some of the things. See, it doesn't come out from the other side. Yeah, see? So this is our dial position. What the hell is our gradient? It's like a create dial gradient. Okay. So This is going to be tricky. Wait, what? And there's one more. Extravagant. Dude, I am not deploying this. Use the extravagant one, man. I am not working on this now. All right. Someone join this. Someone join this. Can you join this? I want to just try the game mechanics. Matt Solano. Okay, why can't I start the game? Oh, this is interesting. At least 2 more players, okay. It is 4 players. So that's why we won't be able to test it. Oh, why can't we test it, man? I am so... There's 2. Join. I mean, I can just do this. Go 2. I'm in team B. And then I'll do one more. I'll go here. Here. Nope. I wanted to copy this. Team A. Right? So how do we start? Start game. Famous, infamous. Waiting for psychic. Who is psychic here now? You are the psychic, okay. Interesting. Hey, 10. You see what I mean? 10. I sent you the extravagant. See, would you? This is the clue. Team A. I'm getting lazy for this now. Interface, these are cool. The interface is really cool. I liked how it covers everything, and our looks so shitty. but I cannot change this. And this is team A, right? Why can't I change this? Ooh, okay. It needs to be like this. Okay, lock in guess. Now team B is deciding, okay. Oh, team B. Right. Okay, interface is pretty cool. I like this. But this is the thing, it doesn't overlap. Only one more friend, we are 2 people. Okay. This could be the future enhancements. I like this. This is really good. And I'll save this link. There's another one that Tan sent. Ooh. So even this doesn't have that Tan, see? Even this doesn't have the overlappy thing. Yeah. I personally like the other one more. I mean, we can do something like this. Do you guys like this or drag and drop? So the thing with this is, if you see, it jumps. The price of the game is 4K. It jumps the thing. You cannot like control it a bit. So if I go here, let's say, if I'm here, I cannot decide and put it like between these two. It has to be this or this. This or this. Right? Whereas in our awesome sauce game, not here, not here. And I have so many tabs open. Not here. Let me set it to this. In R, I can put it anywhere I want. It's anywhere I want. Okay, so I think, I don't know what the issue is. Yeah, I think in our case, the looks can be better. We can work on it later on. But the dial thing, like Tan said, we don't need to do, so we can avoid that. Right? What is this issue everyone is complaining about? To player count, okay. Let's try one end-to-end game and see where we are. Trying a game. Tan, let me know if you are. Forget the overlapper, right? Yeah. So assign psychic. Start game. So psychic comes here. He can either do this, or he can just say random target, and this is the random target. Okay. So the players can then do. Good movie. Lock and guess. Oh, I was very good. +4. Okay, so this part is working. So this is not working. Next round. When I click on next round, nothing happens. So what should happen in the new round? The psychic changes, right? So one is, let's see this error first. Fetch player count. Wait, what? What am I doing then? I didn't get it. I swear, man, I'm not watching porn. It's just. While moving the dial, it sounded inappropriate without the video. Wait, what? What was I doing while moving the dial? Anyways, if I click on next round, it should switch the psychic, right? Like another player should be the psychic now. Yes, okay. Ooh. 0 points, okay, everything is working. Where was I? Yeah, next round. Next round. And there was no error, right? No network error, okay. Next round button, there you go. Implement the next round logic. The psychic role will be assigned to a different player. Should be assigned to a different player, right? The new psychic. Good movie, bad movie. Good movie, bad movie. Concept pair. New concept pair should be selected. The new psychic will now set the gradient. Where are the questions and stuff? Psychic and the question. The questions we have over here, it's hard coded. We'll again maybe create a new list of it. Again, I'm assuming in the game you get these predefined, so maybe I'll create like 500 of those using AI. Hints we need to implement. So earlier we thought we'll make the hints purely verbal, so player would just say the hints instead of typing in Tan's case, but I'll maybe add a text box to send the hints. But once the next round works, we can add those. And then the score, we need to show the score somewhere per game, so we'll do that. Exactly. will figure out super bass and everything. I'll get my coffee, guys. I went and I never picked up my coffee. I'll be back. I was talking on mute, so yay. I'll be back, guys. I'll share my thoughts later on. All right. Ooh. We have the implants. This is a good part of vibe coding, right? Okay, I need to start again. Okay, makes sense. Post a game. Number of lives. I need to remove number of lives. We don't need it. Number of rounds. And maybe we don't need max points per round as well. Why do you want to do that? So we'll remove those two later on. The first round, the brave is the psychic. He says, "Oh, let me set this." And then Chrome comes in. He says, "Oh yeah, I think this is hard. Lock in. Oh my god, I got plus 4 points. Now let me start the new round." Got coffee? Yes, sir. Costa Rican bliss. So we are testing the next round implementation. So when I click on next round, this guy should have been the psychic, but he's not. And it just comes in and tells lock in the guess. Nothing else happens. What did what did this guy do? This guy didn't do anything. So the psychic doesn't change. Clicking on next round. Doesn't do anything. This is the current behavior. After clicking next round. 1. psychic role is the player. His role is not. Does not change. Players non-psychic player can just interact with the dial. Psychic screen has every button disabled. Let's see what it looks like. Wine. Oh yeah, it looks a lot like wine. But no, trust me, it's coffee. I don't drink wine in the morning. Sahib, welcome. Sahib Barbuya. Am I pronouncing it right? 2026. How to trigger a project? How to trigger what kind of project? What do you mean by trigger a project? You mean how do you start a project? How do you scaffold a project? Welcome to the stream, Sahib, sorry. What was the issue? Why didn't it do? Let me when the round let me use effect. Okay, let's see. Okay. Do I have to start fresh? No, but this shouldn't happen. AMI project. What is AMI project? Or did you mean to type? Okay, no. You mean to type any project and you typed AMI. Any project? Was that your response? Alright. Post a game, ABCD, initialize the game, join a game, psychic, start, psychic, set, lock in guess. Oh, it missed by 3. Okay. So one thing our expectation is it should send the scores here. It's not happening. It was happening before, but it's not. When I click on next round, again nothing is happening. So something is wrong here. There are no errors on this thing. A typo. Okay. If a client come to me with an idea how to handle the client and how to get retirement and what do I need how to get retirement and what do I need to write Figma or making an or writing code, what should I do fast, from where should I start? If a client come to me with an idea how to handle the client. How do I get almost spilled my coffee. How do I get retirement? Okay, I'm going to assume that is a typo. What do I need to write Figma? Oh. I'm processing your question, Sahib. Give me a second. these are like so many different diverse questions. I actually lost my chain of thought. Let me think about it, Saib. There are like so many diverse questions. I don't know how to answer that. So basically, if client comes to you with an idea, it's communication, man. I don't know how do you handle the client or what's the exact issue, but you get the requirements, you ask questions, you ask more questions like 5 whys to understand why the client wants to do what they want to do, and document everything so it's easy to track. After that, you think about design, ER diagram, and everything. Ideally, you want to. Let me explain. Okay, explain. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, where were we? So this thing is frozen. This thing shouldn't happen. There are multiple issues here, right? So I need to. Something went wrong in our changes. I think we didn't pay too much attention here. Maybe my lack of sleep is causing this, but let's see. So what should happen when the user locks in the guess? If user does this, player scores. Yeah, this should happen, right? This width. Let's go one step at a time. I don't think our AI is able to handle everything together. Okay. So there are no shortcuts, Sahib. If you think fast making Figma design, there's no. It depends on your design. How fast can you make it, and how good are you at Figma? I mean, you can use AI, but see, even with AI, things don't work as expected many times. So. So my problem is, what should I fast make if you want to do that? Okay, first of all, the result, each player's name, guess position, and distance from the target, just scores and next round, but not wait this. No automatic negation. Maintain the current view, automatic to screen psychic and review. Okay, let's see. Let's try this. Post a game. Initialize a game, join a game, psychic, start a game, set this, lock in guess. So this is a non-psychic player, right? And he got his guess, his points, blah blah blah. This thing is not getting updated. Is it the scores table that I need to change? Game state. It is this. See the problem? Psychic screen is not getting updated. And there are no errors. I don't think we're making too much progress today, yaar. So this is what happens right now. 10 for the non-psychic players. It shows player position, score and everything. And then we need to click on next round to go to the next round. But right now that doesn't happen for the psychic. And in fact, psychic screen doesn't react at all when this happens. My guess is after the target is set, I think psychic somehow disconnects from the unsubscribes from the real-time updates. None of the updates are happening after that. This is my guess. Let me see if they found it. The problem is when the psychic sets the target they call set is locked true, which is likely to prevent them from receiving the dial update from other players. The psychic needs to continue receiving updates even after seeing the target. I have a bad feeling about this, but let's see. I have a bad feeling. I know, we were too busy in the colors. That's why I said let's... So we are good here. Okay, our colorful psychic is doing good here. If I do this, or let me get good score. Lock in guess. We got player score over here. Nothing here. No errors. No console updates. Nothing. Is it a browser thing? It can't be the browser thing. Okay. I thought we had made so much. I think, yeah, nothing. Let's focus. The PS5 screen still doesn't update. Check for any tables that needs real-time updates enabled. Also check if Psychic unsubscribes to the real-time updates after locking the guess. So there are two possible reasons, right? So we are using the real-time update, Superbase's real-time update for this, right? So one could be that the Psychic, like once the Psychic locks in the choice, our implementation unsubscribes to those updates, so it doesn't know when the players are locked in the guesses. And second could be some component might be unmounted, which is causing this. So we need to look for those issues. I'll also say the pattern we are trying to use is, what had I done? I had created a store, and in the store I start game. What was it? Game data, join game, load game state, assign random psychic, API client, register player. Where is the super base real-time update thingy? Game waiting room, join room, game waiting room. And we'll start game. Is game ready? Use memo. Where is it? This is why I sometimes think that vibe coding is not good. Or maybe I just let AI handle these things. Why am I wasting my time? Super base. I'm right now prompting the AI so that it will I'm prompting the AI so it will scan the code for existing patterns and then try to debug it from that pattern point of view, because sometimes if the context window is too overcrowded, it will just do its own stuff without following the practices that we want to follow, right? Sorry, I wasn't looking at the chat earlier. Maybe let's have psychic component. What time is it right now for you? It's morning for him. Exact time is 10 a.m. Can you stream 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. your time on weekends so you don't have to wake up early next day? That's what I'm thinking. Maybe I'll do. But I'm in East Coast, so it's 10 a.m. over here, not like 1. Sorry, I'm on West Coast, so not 1 p.m. Traveling one country to other, the time you can live 2 days in a day. I know. So it happens to us when we travel from India to Canada. So we get our whole day back that we are flying that we spent flying. Okay, I'm ready to get now. Let me perfect. I say issue looking at the code in user hook. Hook is locked as a parent, but this parent is not used in dependency array. That's why logging purpose. This belongs to this parent as a subscription behavior. That's issue. Hook doesn't depend on his log. Let me check. Okay. Dial updates table. Was it missing it? It's too late to check now. Oops. Table editor. Okay, it's doing a reset right now. From dial updates. Okay, let's see this. Now let's do the game room tables. Allow. That I think we didn't enable real time for dial updates. I think what this guy is now doing is it is applying the enable real time. Yeah, enable real time for public rounds. Okay, so it's fixing the issue for us. I am glad we prompted to use real-time updates and the pattern we are following. So now it works. It should work. I'm hoping it works. The migrant now started. Create a name. Okay. Let me also restart my dev server for just to be safe. And let's see, Supabase. It should have, yeah, dial update has real time, game room has real time, game state. Game state doesn't, I don't think game state needs real time. Oh, game state needs real time. Okay, I'll also scan the code to find all use cases of real time subscription. Scan the code to find all use cases for and check if the real-time updates are enabled for these tables. So yeah, that was the issue. I'll just summarize one more time. In Supabase, I don't know if you can see this button over here. You need to enable real-time updates for the WebSocket updates to work. If we have to do it manually, or we have to have it in our database setup script to do that. So we didn't have it in a database script. Last time I did it manually, and just because we nuked our database before we started today, we had to do it again, right? So now I can see a lot of tables are still disabled. So I'll let the AI scan the code and create the list of tables that we need. All the tables are properly configured. Okay, perfect. Thank you. So now let's start again. Refresh, host a game. Do this. Where is? Ooh. There's issue. Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, I'm getting this error. Man, code, your emojis are funny. Okay. Did we didn't answer that guy, right? Sabed. Okay, we are doing another DB reset. Oh, these are YouTube emojis? Oh yeah. I didn't realize. YouTube has some funky emojis. Oh, he left. But I really couldn't understand what he was saying, and how do I even help in that case? Host a game, ABCD, initialize game. Oh, the 3 more errors. This guy's is. Bro, don't know why he's been streaming 5 years. Hey, I don't use emojis as much while streaming. You know what? I'm going to do manual game room, dial updates, players, and rounds. These are the 4 tables they said. Game room, it's enabled. Dial updates, it's enabled. Players and rounds. Players, it's enabled. Rounds is enabled. It is enabled everywhere. Oh, you know what? I am such a dum-dum. I am such a dum-dum. Or maybe I am not. Real time is trying to initialize, but the real issue is how subscriptions are connecting. The client needs to specify the correct connection parameter. Okay. I am such a dum-dum. I think I know what I need to do, but let's see. Okay. Again, see, when you add features, this is why they say okay, when you add features, you are adding bugs more than features. So now if I do that, okay, now let me refresh. Okay. Host a game, ABCD, initialize game. No errors. That's why. So again, it was the same thing. We again nuked the database, and we were sending old users. Brave. Join a game. Now it will work. Join a game. I'm going to just minimize this. Psychic. Start game. Okay. Set target. Now we can select this. I am such a pro, so I'll lock in the perfect guess. I got the score. This guy got the score. It's not aligned properly yet, but this guy got the score. If I click on next round, it doesn't do anything good. Next round, it doesn't do anything good. Next round is still not working, but at least something is working. Next round, yeah. Okay. Okay. Let me add all this thing. Real-time audit. I might clean up this later. Git status. Today's day is going to be super unproductive. At the end of the day, we'll realize we just changed colors. Updated scripts for real-time update. The next round button is still not working as expected. Do something audit. When the host clicks on next round, change the player who is assign a new player. Okay, I'll say assign a new player the role of psychic. Let's do this. Assign. Okay, I'll do this. Make the current psychic a non-psychic player. The new player the role of psychic. The new psychic should now update, select new gradients and click on lock to start the guessing game. Yeah, today's day was super unproductive, guys. I mean, it's expected because I didn't touch this for 2 weeks, but still, sometimes it sucks. And you might have guessed when I say today's day was unproductive that I'm preparing to end the stream soon. Maybe after one try, after this prompt goes through. I was supposed to do a short stream, and this is kind of a short stream. I was actually not going to stream at all. I think it was productive. You think? Why do you think that? That's so sweet of you. GVD Brave is a psychic, so this guy is a psychic. He says he likes Sprite. So I got the score here. I click on next round. See, nothing is happening. Why is this? I don't know why it's not happening. Next round. This guy is still the psychic, small and large. Okay. Okay, something happened. Oh, sorry, something happened. Okay, this didn't change, but nope, didn't happen. Next round, dark and bright. This guy is stuck here. What's happening? So I think you know what? So we have game room. Okay. What is that? Can we get a game room? This is SW29F8, right? So SW29F8. This is our game room. Right, these are the settings. Host player ID, room ID is this 7E something, right? 7E04. Okay, now if you see rounds, here are the rounds. Okay, just bear with me. I have a thought here. It says locked positions 0, target position this, room ID, and this is the round ID. So from rounds, and I think there's some inconsistency. Round number 1, 2, 3, 4. This from rounds update equals round ID. Update round hint. Okay. Lock dial position. I think the round ID is not getting updated across. So psychic rotation it still doesn't happen. The original nons players don't see the new whatever this was. New concept pairs. I think it's a round ID, right? Check if all players in the room should be at the should be subscribed to the same round. Check if PSY psychic and non-psychic. So I think what's happening is, or what could be happening is, that when we start a new round, it does start a new round in the backend, but the players are subscribed still to the older round. So UI doesn't get updated, nothing gets updated. This could be because somewhere we are subscribed based on round ID and the state is not getting updated for that. So check if all players, okay. If on the next round all players are subscribed to the New round ID. And we'll guide the AI to do that. There's a lot of code cleanup that we'll need to do after this. Or maybe we don't. That is the paradox. Not paradox, but that's the conflict I always am in. Like these files to delete. I think we can delete that. So a lot of markdown files that we need to delete. Let me check it. Game state table. There's a game state table. Okay. Room ID. Current psychic ID. Current round. Oh, okay. Okay, let's do that. Allow. It's end part. As in? I think everyone. Yeah. Even I'm going to call it a day after like 5 minutes or so, 5-10 minutes. But our guess, it looks like my guess was correct. The players weren't subscribed to the right round ID. It looks like Psychic clicks on next round, advanced round API update the game state table with new current round and Psychic table real time all clients. Okay. So since we did a database reset, I'm going to do this. I'm going to go here. I'm going to clear this and refresh this. Post a game. ABCD, initialize game, and 2 issues. Fucking everything happens. Every time I do a DB reset, this seems to be happening. Do I have to like reset I mean not reset, but restart this thing? Going to just clear this for the sake of clearing. Okay, Superbase stop. This is the last try, and after that I'll call it a day. I'll try and work on it offline and see how it goes. And it requires mounting default Docker socket. Waiting for health checks. Chuck. Oh. Interesting. Super Bass has a crone thing as well. Okay, let's see what it did. I think I cleared this. Yes, I did. Whew, yes, I am tired. Okay, works. All right. So now host will say again, assign, start game. Psychic will say, I am very strong, set. This guy will say, I agree, lock. 10 is back. Okay, so we got this over here. We got this over here. Next round. Fuck all, nothing happened. Oh, actually something happened. So at least the at least our psychic is not no at least our psychic is no longer the psychic. So that got fixed. But so you see the psychic cannot do anything. So it worked partly, but a non-psychic is still non-psychic. So our at least our judgment in the bug fix was correct. It was the ID that was causing it. So this partially fixed the issue. The psychic gets converted to non-psychic, but the non-psychic player still is non-psychic. Yes, do not see the gradients. Or the new, what is that route? Or the new concept pair. So let's do this while it works. So let's delete this row. Yes, please. Let's delete these two rows. We'll start fresh. We are getting closer, one step at a time. Messages, no participant of players. Players, we want to keep it. Rooms, rounds, signaling. Okay. Okay. I was talking to, how is Auntie G? Tell mom that you are studying right now. Okay, this is studies. You are studying how to get a sucker work for your app idea. I'm kidding. Restart and keep direction flow again. Okay, restart. We have to restart every time now. It's fine. Okay. Started. Okay, I need to host a game. I'll say ABCD. I'll initialize the game. I'll copy this. I'll go here. Refresh. Join. Psychic. Start. Bad movie. Set target. Bad movie. Lock and guess. So we got the score over here. Okay, so let's say clicked on next round and the psychic is now not a psychic and we got the new concept pair, old and new. This guy is still here and he's still here. So this is a very good compliment, and you think I'm 30 years old. That's awesome. So this is still not working. So let's see why. Okay, let's debug a bit. Let's go old school over here. So if we see, we have one game room. Okay, and this is the room ID. Now if you see game state, we have one game state with this game room ID. So that's how they DCA 39. DCA 39. Now if we open the game state, we are in current round is 3. Okay, that's the game setup. Okay, so now let's go for rounds. So game 696C. So rounds. DCA. Okay, game rooms. Okay, so rounds are related game rooms. So DCA 39. So round has DCA 39, 3 game rooms. It says it has 3 rounds. No. I'll take that, man. I'm in my early 30s. I'll take that. It's a compliment. Oh, he's 30. See, I'm just 5 years younger than him. No, man, I'm not in 30s. I'm 42. So this was the first round. That went really well. And now we'll see the bug, okay? This is round number 3. Okay, and this is round number 2. Okay, let's see what do we have for our... This is supposed to be psychic. Let's see. Redux. No store? What the hell? That sucks. Good movie, bad movie. Ugly, beautiful. Let's try this then, old school way. Let's do this, let's do this, let's do this, and lock. Payload, okay? So this guy is still stuck on round 1. Right? And... Wait, what happened? Rounds. Oh, wait. Something is interesting. Lock and guess, okay. Whatever. Let's do this. Next round. This is a call. We say advance and we give this room ID and we get new round detail. Round number 5, blah, 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 blah. So in rounds, we get round number 5 over here. But there are no updates coming in here. Advanced sounds are not up- advanced sounds are not getting updated. I don't know why. They both are creating new rounds, and none of them are getting communicated at either places. So if non-psychic advances to new round, ideally we want everyone advances to new round. Or if the psychic advances to new round, we want everyone advances to new round. But that's not happening. By the way, who is... I have a very personal question in my head, but I'm not sure. Ask it. If it's too personal, I won't answer it. That's okay. Don't worry. I ask it. I didn't know you were in your 40s. Oh yeah. 42, what the fuck? Where? Oh yeah, I said 42, right? You are at least 10 years older than him. Code is 10 years younger than me, right? More than 10, in fact. But who's getting the points? I think right now it's random. I'm not sure who's getting the points. I think the players are getting the points, but we can change it any way we want. Game set. No. I don't. I don't think it's personal. Yo, Prath. Welcome. What was I doing? I'm trying to think what's happening here. So both advanced round are creating new thing, but the rounds thing is not okay. It's rounds, right? Yeah, it's rounds. Oops. Round table changes. Updates are not propagated. Advances to new rounds. Ooh, Dan, is it your birthday? Many happy returns of the day, Dan. I think it's really tough. I look at me. I don't know how many parents took care of me. You told streamer. Oh yes. I know Prath. He was there. I mean, I kind of guessed he was. He called you first, so I know he was your friend, and I guess that is the player you play the game with. But yes, I don't have. But so why is Prath wishing you? What is this? The personal question the personal question would be 42 tokens. I didn't get your personal question. The real personal question would be 42 no kids. My birthday is 23rd May. Oh, okay. I didn't get your personal question, Tan, by the way. I know I kept saying that I'm going to end the stream after trying this, but I keep thinking of new possible bugs. Not bugs, but new possible root causes of our bugs. So I want to keep. I want to keep trying those things. Children. Oh yeah. So it's not that still don't have kids, it's that we don't want kids. Oh man, it's late. Yeah, all right, man. Good. Have a nice day tomorrow. Even I'm going to call it a day in like 5 minutes for sure. In 5 minutes for sure. Yeah, 110%. I think my brain is frozen right now. I have only gotten 3 hours of sleep today, so it's better that I call it a day. Good night. Thanks for stopping by, Code. It's fun when you guys are here. It's interesting. How does the video look in the stream? In my this thing, it looks yellowish. I don't know why. Does it look yellowish? Does it look like this? It doesn't look like this in my stream labs. All right, last test, guys. Last test of the day, and then we are going to call it. Host a game. This was a very unproductive day. Join a game. Don't worry, it's 5 minutes or 15 for us humans. Dude, I'm really going to call it a day after this. Just watch. Just watch. That's the thing, right? Let me do this. Set target position. Block and guess. Ooh, that was close. All right. Next round over here. Points and next round over here. Guess 18% distance to plus 98. I don't know how this is calculating. Plus 4. I don't know all these things. We'll look into it later on. Let's do this. Let's do this. And I click on next round. Cheap, expensive, weak, strong. See, nothing happened here. Nothing happened. Okay, it's I need break. I'm going to look into this later on. I can't think of a reason why this is happening right now. Alright guys, this is it. I'm going to call it right now. I'm sorry, today was a very unproductive day. I shouldn't have streamed actually. But anyways, thank you so much everyone for stopping by. Code, Prat, Tan, Thor, everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by. And I'll work on this offline. Last stream? No, why? No, not last stream. Oh, you mean last stream for this? No. I think I need to work on this. Maybe one more stream. I'll see. Let's see. If I can do this offline, we'll have Battleship next stream, or I'll let you know. Right now I'm preoccupied with this, so no problem. Thor wasn't here. Well, I am thanking him in advance for the next one. Alright guys, have a good night. It's late for you and I'm going to have a rest of the day off, so I'll talk to you next time. Till then, adios, take care, stay safe guys, bye. I don't have a stream ending screen. I don't have a